Hello all. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about handling different alerts or JavaScript pop-up boxes. To explain about these alerts, different types of alerts in Catalan Studio, I will use here W3 School website, and I have shared the link for this site in the description below. There are three different pop-ups given over here. First is with the OK button. Another one is with the OK and cancel button. And the third pop-up is with the input text box to enter the text. So let's quickly record these three tests in the Catalan Studio. If you see the recording, when I click on tried button, the alert box goes away. It does not allow to record. So I will click OK and I'll save the test. To handle alert, you can add here and you can say accept alert. I will add one more step here as to close the browser. Now let's execute this. The alert has opened and it clicked on the alert to accept it, and the test is passed. This way we have handled the first alert by using the accept alert keyword. Now we will check the second alert having the OK and cancel button. So I will just change the URL here and we can execute this same test case, but instead of accept I will use dismiss alert. Dismiss alert will click on the cancel button of the alert. So let's save this and execute it. It has clicked the tried button and it will click the cancel button and close it. So this way we passed the second test also. Let's see the third case of alert, that is handling the input text box in the alert. I will change the URL here again, and here instead of dismiss alert I will use set alert text, and I will set the alert text as test it, and I will add one more as accept alert. Save it and execute it. It executed very fast. I will add delay over here for 2 seconds, and after accepting the alert, and we will execute it again. And here you see it accepting the word tested. So our test is passed. It accepted the set alert text. In script mode, you can view these alert related keywords as set alert text and the text in the bracket, or the accept alert and two brackets. In similar way, dismiss alert you can use. In keywords browser, you will find these keywords under alert folder, and you find many other keywords as well. The way we have the set alert text, you can get the alert text by using the get alert text keyword, or you can verify alert is present or no, and you can wait for the alert to be present and then you can action upon it by using the wait for alert keyword. I hope this session was useful for you and thank you for watching. If you are new, please consider subscribing and enjoy learning Catalan Studio.